Dirty girl, sparkly clean. Dirty girl, sparkly clean. What's going on, everyone? It's MotoMiracle. In today's video, as you can tell, Tori, my Harley-Davidson Sport Glide, is a dirty girl. Ooh, she's a dirty girl. So today we're going to do a product review slash how-to on this Swift Wipe waterless car wash by Chemical Guys. Great company, highly recommend them. So anyways, let's go hit the intro and let's go check out this video.
So good.
What's good, y'all? If you're new to my channel, I'm just a traumatic brain injury survivor with the second chance at life, and I'm going to share my journey to you through my eyes. So as you can tell, 2 days ago I washed my bike, and look how dirty she is already. Being in the Permian Basin, the oil field, Midland, Texas, in the Thunderdome, you can tell like it's dust no matter what I do. So for people that live in complexes, not that don't have like, you know, their own hoses, I do, but you know, you're cheap, you want to save water or whatever, I highly recommend doing this Swift Wipe waterless car wash by Chemical Guys. You can get it at Walmart or you can get it at their website. So I'll put the description below on their Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, whatever they have, you know. So obviously, like I said, like I do have a hose which is in the front, but down here in West Texas, it's so hot out here that right by the time I wash the bike, it already dries up. So technically, it's literally pointless to even do it. So usually I buy this waterless car wash, and literally you'll see from this how quick this will actually work. When you, I mean, look at this. This is 1 day of just literally the bike was just sitting here for 1 day. So anyways, like it's just, she's a dirty. Look at that. Dirty. Oh man. I mean, I highly recommend this Chemical Guys, the waterless car wash. It works amazing. So basically all you have to do is really you spray it for 5 minutes, let it sit for 5 minutes depending on how dense the dirt is. Right now I'll probably put it just for a few minutes because it's a light dust. So if I blow it, it's already a lot of it's getting out. So really it's not going to be that bad. So yeah, so blow it first. So that's not gonna take that much. If it's literally stuck in there like it was dirt, then like from mud or whatever, then you want to let it sit for about 5 minutes. But this one probably, you know, a quick spray and then wait for 2 minutes, and you should be able to just wipe it all down. Obviously, you want to use a microfiber towel. My speech today. You want to use a microfiber towel and wipe it all down. So let's just kind of get it done. So just go in there, literally just spray it, spray the baby down. Spray her down real quick. Like I said, just letting this all soak. And now we're gonna get our microfiber towel. One side you want to get for the dirt, and the other side you want to kind of let it to like wipe it after, so when there's no dirt. So we're gonna let it sit for a minute, and this is only, I think it's only $10 honestly, so you can fill that up, and it lasts me about a year. Because, and think about it, I spray my bike at least every other day, because like I showed you, I already cleaned this yesterday, and it already looks like right now she's already a dirty girl. But anyways, what we're gonna do is just spray her down, and then I wipe her down, and then there we go. She looks brand new. Because people all the time tell me, wow, your bike looks so clean. I'm like, not really. She's dirty most of the time, but you know, a quick wipe, a quick spray, a quick wipe, and then she looks good. All right, let's get this done. Look at that. Ooh, she's gorgeous. Look at that. And then it's got like a little like a shine on it too, it's like a gloss. It's really cool. So I'll show you this side. It's like it's very like smooth. It's very like kind of like a coat over it. So basically the next, when it does, you know, if it does get dirty on it, the next time you clean it, usually it's even quicker. Like it's going to be easier to clean the bikes, you know. It's not like it stays stuck to the bike. So look at that, she's clean. Man, she's a dirty girl. One thing that I have to tell y'all, like, it smells like candy. It smells almost like cotton candy. But the thing is, please do not, and I repeat, do not eat it, drink it, do anything stupid like that. I mean, just the bike. The bike smells like cotton candy now. But don't lick it, don't eat it. I have to tell y'all that because I don't want anyone to be like, hey, MotoMiracle told me to eat that, told me to lick it or drink it or whatever it is. So please be responsible with what you're doing. So I'm gonna keep continuing to spray. Go around. You can tell, look, even though I already cleaned it, look, it's already starting to get dusty. You can't really tell now, I don't know if you can from the GoPro, but it's already starting to get dusty because all the desert sand and all that other stuff. So so even being in the garage, it's still garage kept, but see how there's small up top? That's where it all gets out of. That's where all the dust comes out. So even if I wasn't in the garage, then this would be like literally caked in it, like layers. All right, so let me just wipe this down now. You can see that glossy finish. It's kind of like it's kind of like, you know, you get turtle wax. Now you get the turtle wax over it. Like literally, it's got that nice slippery feeling, slick feeling. Ooh. So now it's easier to actually wipe down next time. So now whenever it is a little dusty, you can just wipe it down instead of spraying it every single time because it's got a little finish over it. It's kind of like wax. Pretty cool. So I'm not going to spray down the whole thing right now because I've been having seizures lately and had my PTSD attacks. So I haven't really been able to ride lately. So, I mean, until these seizures slow down and until these, you know, my PTSD attacks stop, once that happens, then I'll start riding because, you know, got to be a responsible driver, you know, rider, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to ride I'm a everyday rider. This is my only way to go get gas, go to get groceries, go to get anything. So I mean, this is my baby, but you know, I would never want to fall down and screw up my whole bike because, you know, I had a seizure, I had a PTSD attack, and all of a sudden in my mind I'm back in the hospital or wherever, I'm back into brain surgery, you know. So anyone who has brain surgeries, anyone that is sick, anyone with anything, like, you should only be riding unless you're 100%, you know. And I really do believe in that. I want everyone to ride safe out there, you know. But as you can tell, like, see, look, here's the dirt. There's a little dirty girl right here. But if you look over here, like, she's nice and sparkly clean. Dirty girl, sparkly clean. Dirty girl, sparkly clean. So anyways, yeah, that's a quick product review. I mean, like I said, showing you how simple it is to use, how quick it is, it smells great, it works amazingly. It's got like that wax finish. I mean, and how-to is very simple, you know. I mean, like I said, spray it. Like I said, if you don't know how long to wait, just wait 5 minutes and then wipe it down. And like I said, for the product review, man, like, I highly recommend it. Chemical guys, you know what you're doing. They have a bunch of other things. They have things for wheels, rims. They have every type of things. Definitely go check out their website. Once again, all that will be in the description. I want to shout out to my buddy Lee, who's in Palestine right now, and he's the one that showed me this thing. So thank you, Lee, for this amazing car wash, Waterless car wash. So anyways, this is going to be on the video. So if you like this video, please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, then please press that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon if you want future notifications. Till next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.